My first and main exposure to Filipino comic book artists was a book called The History of Filipino Comics and Other Countries. And seeing the works of Alfredo Alcala and Alex Nino just blew me away.
This is artwork by Alex Nino and one of the psychedelic works of Alex Nino. And si Alex Nino hindi masyadong na-accept dito sa Philippines kasi masyadong wild yung gawa niya. And,
Iyon ang dito ako nakapagre-request na gusto kong script. Sige na.
Sige, rolling.
Hindi ko alam kung ito. Basta ito, illustration na kahit na walang lapis. Ang basta blank paper na nakita mo, para nakikita mo na rin nakaguhit yung sketch mo ron. Yun na matagal ko na pinapractice, kaya ito ginawa na walang lapis.
Wow.
Title, hindi ko alam, pero it's not necessary na bigyan mo ng title, pero yeah, self-explanatory na lang. Medyo warrior siguro ito, hindi ko alam, pero